we are doing median, graphical location of median. Now we will try to locate median. Okay, so median can be easily located graphically with the help of ogives, that is cumulative frequency. So it can be graphically located with the help of less than and more than ogive, or it can be another method is less than or more than ogive. Okay, so together it can be done and separately also it can be done. So the first question is, determine the median graphically from the following data. Marks is given and number of students is given. So we are using the first method, that is less than and more than ogive together. Okay, so now we have to convert this simple frequency distribution table into cumulative frequency table. So how? First less than we have to do. So less than means less than 10, less than 20, like that. So it is less than 10, less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50, less than 60, till okay, till 60 we have to go. So it is less than. Now this is the frequency, we have to convert this into cumulative frequency. So less than 10 is only 3, then less than 20 is 3 plus 9, that is 12, then less than 30 is 12 plus 18, that is 30, then less than 40 is 30 plus 30, that is 60, then less than 50 is 18 plus 60, that is 78, and less than 60 is 12 plus 78, that is 90. So we have got less than. Okay, now more than that is more than 0, more than 10, more than 20, it is like that. So more than 0, more than 10, more than 20, more than 30, more than 40, more than 50, it will be like that. Okay, now again cumulative frequency we have to find out from this frequency. So more than 0, all the numbers are more than 0, so we have to add all the frequencies in order to get more than 0. So that is 90. Then now more than 10, more than 10 means 90 minus 3. If we do, we get more than 10. Then more than 20 means 87 minus this, so we will get 78. Then in the same way we have to find out all the numbers. So we have got more than cumulative frequency and less than cumulative frequency, 10. Now this cumulative frequency we have to convert it into graph. So this is the graph. I have marked the number x-axis and y-axis both. Here the topic is important to write: graphical location of median, less than and more than ogive. Scale I have to take. So x-axis marks, that is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 marks, and y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 students. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 students. Okay, now mark first less than. Take this less than. So less than 10, less than 20, I am taking this, the number here I am taking. So first less than, the first number is less than 10 is 3. So put a dot here, Then less than 20 is 12. So put a dot here. Less than 30 is 40. So put a dot here. Sorry, less than 30 is 30. So I am putting a dot here. Less than 40 is 50. Less than 40 is 50. So one dot here. Less than 50 is 78. So 78 is here. And less than 60 is 90. So 90 is here. It should be straight. The line should be straight. Now join the lines. I am going to get a line like this. So this is my less than. I am writing less than here. Less than ogive. Done. Now more than 0. 0 is, first point is 90. The second point is 87. At 10 it is 87. At 20 it is 78. So I'm putting a dot here. At 30 it is 60. At 40 it is 30. And at 50 it is 12. Done. So now join a line. Join a line properly. I will get a line like this. So I am writing more than here. More than ogive. Okay, now how to find out the median? The point where both less than and more than are intersecting. I am giving a name to this point, that is E. This is the intersection point where both less than and more than are intersecting each other. You have to draw a straight line from a perpendicular straight line from this point, which will join our x-axis. Okay, so it is joining at axis at I can, if I measure this line, it will be 35. So my median will be, median is 35. You have to use scale for this purpose. Okay, so this line is will be called median, and that is 35. So it is a way to graphically find out median. Okay, so this was a question related to both less than and more than. Okay, now in the same way I can I can simply solve this question like less than question. The same number I am writing down here. Okay, so marks is less than 10, less than 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. The same number I am writing, the same table I am using actually. So number of students is that CF is 3, 12, 30, 60, 78 and 90. Now the same numbers I am going to plot in this graph. Again the same 1 centimeter is equal to 10 marks and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 student, x-axis and y-axis. The scale is important to write, and here I am only showing less than or jive. In the same way you can show more than also separately. Okay, so when it is less than 10, the number of student is 3. When it is less than 20, the number of student is 12. When it is less than 30, the number of student is 30. When it is less than 40, the number is 60. And when it is less than 50, the number is 78. It is going in between there. And when it is 60, it is 90. The number is 90. Okay, so if I am joining all the point, join all these point, I have to write down less than or jive. Okay, so now what you have to do here, I have to now I have to, because I am using only less than, so we have to show where the median will come. Okay, so now here what is important for us to calculate median n by 2 in order to find out the median when we are showing only one ogive. Okay, so n is what? N is the last number of CF, or I can say that is the sigma frequency. Okay, so sigma f I can say. So it is 90 by 2. So 90 by 2 is 45. So it is 45. So that means number of student is 45 here. This is 45. Join a straight line, draw a straight line which will join our less than ogive, and draw a perpendicular line over here. It should be straight. Use your scale for this purpose. See, now it is joining 35. I can, if I measure, I will get 35 here. So this is median which is 35. In the same way, when I will draw only I can only draw more than also. So if I am using more than also, then also the line will come like this, and I can, in the same way, I have to find out n by 2, and I can mark I can find out median from more than also. So there are two methods. Again I am telling, in the first method I can use both more than and less than together in order to find out graphical location of median, and the another method is to use less than separately and more than separately in order to find out the graphical location of median. Okay.